Okay. So class, I would just like to add another concept that I think I haven't discussed yet, no, but it's also important for chapter 2. Say is the percent ionization of a weak acid and a weak base. So the percent ionization, based on its name, tells you how much of the hydronium or the hydroxide ion is formed over or in comparison to the initial concentration of the weak acid or a weak base. Then, of course, you multiply it to 100% because it's percent. Okay. So, for percent ionization of a weak acid, that is simply the hydronium ion equilibrium molar concentration divided by the initial concentration of your weak acid H8, then multiply it to 100. So, we are actually checking how much from the initial has been ionized into hydronium product. Okay, so kaya siya percent ionization. Then next, for the percent ionization of a weak base, so that is simply the OH minus over the initial concentration of the weak base multiplied to 100%. Okay, and then you can also use this percent ionization if you are looking for the hydronium or the hydroxide ion equilibrium molar concentration. Then you have the percent ionization and also you have the initial concentration of the weak acid or a weak base. Okay, so paano? Just use the triangular method that we know. So, percent ionization, pero lalagyan mo lang ng 100 sa ilalim. Okay, is equal to, again, equal to hydronium over CHA. Okay, ayan. 'Di ba? Again, percent ionization, okay, over 100, lalagyan mo lang yung 100 dito sa ilalim, is equal to, 'di ba? Pag ito nilipat sa ilalim kasi gawin nga lang natin. Lipat mo to sa ilalim, edi ano siya? Okay, fraction is equal to hydronium over cha. Cha. Cha is initial concentration of the weak acid. Okay, ganyan. So, pag hinahanap mo to, gawin mo lang, multiply mo lang ito dito sa cha. Makuha mo to. Okay? Then, similar to that is for the weak base. So, percent ionization of weak base, okay, over 100. Nilipat mo transpose mo yung numerator, edi magiging denominator siya, 100. Okay? Is equal to OH minus over CB. OH minus over CB. OH minus over CB. Pag hinahanap mo to, given ka nito, divide mo lang sa 100, then multiply sa initial concentration ng base para makuha yung OH minus. Okay? That's how you use the triangle. Okay? Pero ang pag pinapahanap lang sa inyo is the percent ionization, given yung hydronium and yung cha, edi hydronium over cha times 100 ka ngayon. Babalik mo si 100. So, ganun din dito. Lagay mo dito. Ay, times 100. So, ito, tanggal na. Okay? Ayan. Please take note that here are the relationships of the Ka, the percent ionization, the hydronium. So, lahat sila directly proportional. If you have higher percent ionization, ibig sabihin, mataas yung numerator, kaya maraming hydronium ion. And ibig sabihin dyan, di ba, pag maraming hydronium ion, yung Ka expression natin, Ka is equal to H plus and the conjugate base of your weak acid, di ba, over the weak acid. So, mataas yung Ka, mataas din yung H+. Kaya, pagkakapantay-pantay sila ng relationship, so, pataas lahat, directly proportional. If you have higher Ka, higher hydronium meron ka, higher percent ionization than yung meron sa weak acid mo. So, ibig sabihin, comparing two weak acids together, kung sino yung magkakaroon ng mataas na hydronium ion, ma-ionize more to hydronium ion, ibig sabihin, that's a stronger weak acid. Okay? So, um, for example, Ka for weak acid 1. Yari, Ka for weak acid 1 is 1.2 times 10 raised to negative 4. And then the Ka for weak acid 2 is 2.5. 0.5 times 10 raised to negative 10. Okay? So comparing the two, if you want to know who is a stronger weak acid, even weak acids can have a variation in their strengths. So if you want to know which of the following is a stronger weak acid, given the values of Ka, so of course, titingin ka doon sa Ka na malaki. Ano bang mas malaki? Ito or ito? Of course, this one. That's why, in this case, weak acid 1 is a stronger acid compared to weak acid 2 based on its Ka. We also expect that in terms of percent ionization, mas mataas yung percent ionization ni weak acid 1 kaysa dun sa percent ionization ni weak acid 2. Okay? Ayan. And similar lang dito sa may base. However, pag sa base, we're dealing with Kb and also OH minus. So, higher Kb, higher OH minus concentration, higher percent ionization, it means that the weak base is a stronger weak base compared to the other. Okay, and yeah, that's it.